Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. We are so excited to show you our Airbnb here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This place has been so wonderful. We are staying in KLCC, so the city center, and as you can see, our building name was the Muse. When you walk into the building, there's just this small little lobby area, and it's just nice with some seating there. We had access to the mailboxes, so we were able to receive mail, and we actually did place a couple of orders and receive them here without a problem. We love how secure the building was. Everything was with the card access, so the card is what would open many of the doors to go in and out. So we really like that feature. The pool area was just so beautiful and serene. Lots of trees, lots of plants, and it was just so nice. And as you're walking along the area to get to the pool and to get to the gym, all these little pools on the side that you see all have koi fish in it. So this was so nice. Every time we would come up here to go to the gym and different things, it was just so nice to walk through here and see the beautiful koi fish. And it was just so serene and clean. The staff was very attentive, so we really enjoyed this. We just love all the greenery surrounding this area. You don't realize that you're on a, in a building. This is one of the floors. This is the 7th floor of the building. Incredible. Look at all those plants. It is just so nice. You guys know how much we enjoy having a gym. We try to work out multiple times a week. So this gym, initially we weren't sure, but once we got in here and started using the equipment, we felt it was very nicely equipped. It had the weights that we needed. It had enough equipment that we could get all of our workout in. So this was great to have.
Welcome to our beautiful Kuala Lumpur apartment. We feel really lucky to have been here. We're here for a full 3 months in Kuala Lumpur. We got nice tall ceilings and a beautiful apartment right here as you walk in to the left. A ton of closet space and storage for your shoes. We always take off our shoes when we enter. Came with a vacuum cleaner and again, just mountains of storage. Way more than we need. Came with slippers as well. And right inside here is where we keep our shoes and our little gym bag. So like I said, it's just been an awesome 3-month stay and it's a gorgeous apartment. As you can see right here, we have a kitchen and dining room and then the living room towards the sliding doors are right there. This place has got tall ceilings, like I said, and it's been very awesome staying here. It's super spacious. So I guess let's get started here in the kitchen. We have a refrigerator to the right and it's hidden doors. So the freezer's on the bottom. Spacious. And the refrigerator is up here on the top. Tons of room, everything worked great. Electrolux. A lot of the stuff is Electrolux brand. Got a microwave right here. Nice, like brand new. And we got the oven right here. And it's actually a convection oven. There's a little fan in the back right there. And let's tour the rest of the kitchen here. Right here we have our cooktop. 4 burners, and down here we have just loads and loads of cutlery and utensils, and we added the measuring cups and measuring spoons. We bought those, and the little frother right there, and I think that's probably going to go with us. Didn't have a wooden spoon. We bought that, but that's going to probably stay. And we had adequate amount of pans to do our cooking with. Nice little nice sink right there, nice size, 2 spots, 2 basins, I should say. And up here is where all of our plates and bowls were. Of course, you can see the kettle right there. Came with a toaster. It's stored right up there. And it also came with a rice cooker and a mocha pot. I have my mocha pot there in the front, but the mocha pot it came with is behind the yellow bag there on the bottom. And something really interesting about it is, well, like right there, you can see a carbon monoxide detector. Something really interesting we noticed about this apartment right away was that you need to turn on the outlets have switches. When it's red, it's on. And all of the appliances, so the utility light, I'll show you that in a second. That's where the washer is. This is the light right here. They're all labeled hot water. This says grinder. I think at one point it probably had a garbage disposal. But microwave, oven, exhaust fan, stove, we have to turn all of that on. And I guess it's an energy conservation. So there's no power that is what's the word I'm trying to think of? There's no power loss from the appliance just being plugged in and turned on. Let me flip on that utility light quick. It's been a challenge having the switches over there, but we finally pretty much gotten used to it. So in here we have a combination washer and dryer. There's a mop in here and stuff. There's the ironing board right there. Extremely spacious, really nice, tall, high ceilings. It's just been very luxurious. One great thing about this place is it actually came with weekly cleaning. They come in and they change our sheets. They change out our towels in the bathroom, vacuum, mop, just kind of do a quick little clean. It's been pretty cool, and the Airbnb host actually communicates with us about the cleaning schedule, and they come in once a week. It doesn't take any more than 20 minutes or so. They're in and out pretty quickly. So we'll continue here with the living room. As you can see, we got a nice big sectional, comfortable there. And there's a nice LG TV right there. Not sure on the size. Really nice furniture. As you can already see, just gorgeous floors. Really nicely decorated. Real comfortable. There's our balcony right there. I'll wait till the end to take you out there. There's something special. The place I forgot to mention as well is actually equipped with 4 air conditioners and a ceiling fan in the living room and a ceiling fan in the bedroom. So there's the living room air conditioner right there. And here is the air conditioner that faces the dining room table and the kitchen and faces towards the couch. And as we continue in here in the bedroom, nice big bedroom. This place is somewhere around the 900 square foot range. So it's very, very large. It's a king bed right there. Just one nightstand, but we used one of the couch ottomans as the other kind of makeshift nightstand. And there's 2 air conditioners up there for the bedroom. This is a north-facing unit, so we've been pretty lucky with the sun. It has light blocking curtains as well, which help with the heat. But we've been able to keep the place nice and cool with a combination of closing the curtains and trying to keep the heat out that way. There's the ceiling fan, there's remote control. There are switches, of course, too. Here's a little desk. Karen's been using that to straighten her hair. Like I showed you before, it actually came with an ironing board. There's the iron, there's a hair dryer, and that flat iron belongs to Karen. So if you rent this place, it won't be here. And here we have closets. So there's lots of storage, like I mentioned. The closets are pretty cool because they do have lights in them. So when you open them, they light up. There's some drawers there in this closet. Some storage up there. This closet, the light doesn't work, but here we go. We got more space there. Our laundry hamper was down there at the bottom. You can see those are carry-on size suitcases, so maybe that'll give you a sense of scale. a nice big corner closet here. It actually goes all the way back to the corner. And I believe this down here is like a baby crib. And then the last set of closet space on the end. I think that's the mattress for the crib. I'm not positive. And then of course, storage up there and some shirts hanging there. Like I said, we don't need very much space. We travel full time and we pack fairly light, but it's been really nice. Here's our luxurious bathroom. This is our first Airbnb in this journey with a tub. So we got a nice big tub, and I mean this is a big tub. Like a lot of times tubs an adult has a hard time fitting in, but this is nice, deep, and long enough tub that you could actually soak in. We have not used it. And here we go. We got the sink area. One outlet in here in the bathroom, and the light has to be on to have that outlet switched on. So energy conservation is definitely a thing here. Of course, here we got the toilet and the little bidet bum gun thing. And then our gigantic shower. We have a big old shower. 2 shower heads, 1 rain shower and a regular adjustable shower head. The floor squeegee came with it. The other squeegee did not. We added that. Has some handy hooks up there. And there's the cubby for the shampoo and the soap and conditioner and whatnot. The shower has been really nice. It's been a treat having such a luxurious shower. And in general, this entire apartment. So let's step back out to the bedroom so I can see if I can show you a glimpse of the Petronas Towers. This is our first time in Kuala Lumpur, and that was really important to us to at least be able to see them. And I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, there's a little glimpse right there from our bedroom. And let me take you out to the balcony now. From the balcony, we can see a little bit more of them. Quick note here, this door, when you walk out, you see this door right here. The 4 AC units are in there. We have quite a large balcony. There aren't any chairs or anything out here, but we've been really enjoying coming out here to see the view of the towers. And of course, you know, it's a big city. There's construction going on and stuff. It doesn't seem like those towers are going to be blocked from the view of this apartment at all by the building that's going up next door. But it's been a treat being able to see those, and just the city in general. It's actually a really beautiful day out today. Nice, pretty clouds, but it's an amazing city and beautiful views and great food. But we've absolutely loved this apartment. You know, one last glimpse of those towers for you.
Look at the Petronas from our balcony. So this is what we got to see every night. We got to see the Petronas. We would just step out into our balcony and catch a glimpse of the Petronas Towers. Another great feature of this building was the rooftop. It was amazing because it was completely open and you could get amazing views of the city. We really enjoyed this. So we stayed in this apartment for a little under 3 months, just a few days shy of 3 months, and we paid $3,474 US. We understand, of course, that we are paying higher prices than the locals, but for us, this was amazing value for such a beautiful place, and the location was just perfect. We really, really enjoyed it here.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel for more of our travel adventures,
And slow travel with us.
Bye.